Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, October the 6th, and the time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be updating the chart from the Dow Futures YM. We can see right here, this is a 45 minutes chart. We ended this with 4 over here, right? We ended the with 4 in the primary degree, and then we are now in the with 5 to the upside. Okay, in the degree of the primary degree, in the black degree with 5 here, and it should subdivide into another 5 waves in the with 5, and you see that we ended this with 1 in blue, 1 of 5 in the intermediate degree here. We finished with 2, and now we are already going up in the with 3, which you can see already breaking above 1 in blue here. So more or less suggesting that this is really confirmed that this is the pullback is already finished, and with 1 in blue also subdivides into another 5 waves up in the minor degree here, right? So for now, in the shorter cycle, as long as the pullback here stays above 27,105 here, all right, we could continue to see further upside. Now you can see that we do not have any divergence at the peak, so that suggests that this is unlikely to be a wave 5 from the low. So if you are thinking that we can do something like this, well, because the divergence is sort of erased between this peak and this peak, right, that suggests that we most likely has already started the wave 3 from the low. So this is your 1 and 2, now is starting to extend higher again, right? So more upside is expected. In terms of what will be sort of the minimum potential target to the upside, simply is going to be 100% extension of this 1 and 2 from this low, which is going to be 28,667 as sort of the minimum potential target on the upside. Okay, now zooming out a little bit to get an idea where we are. This is the daily chart. Now this is the low in March 23rd, right? The COVID-19 sell-off. Since then, the Dow has not been able to go back and break above the pre-COVID-19 news, but we've been rallying since March, and kind of this is where we are, right? So if you look at the 4 hour with the 45 minutes charts earlier, this wave 4 here is this one, and this has to be in the wave 3. So in other words, the rally from the March is still in progress right now as a 5 waves. I know the structure is not really optimal, right? It's not really that great. I mean, at this point, this could have been 1 and 2. Now, I know you would say, well, with 4 overlaps with 1, well, it could be a diagonal from the March 23rd, so it's not really a big problem about the diagonal. Okay, and you might say, well, wave 3 is very short. I know it doesn't look very nice if you call it like this, but remember, wave 3 doesn't have to be the longest wave. It just needs to be not the shortest wave, right? The rule says the wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave. So as long as the wave 5 here is shorter than 3, technically you can still call it this way, right? As an alternate, if we fail to break above the previous peak, then, you know, as an alternate, this is only an ABC. This is only an ABC, like ABC. So we can just do an ABC like this, A, B, C, and then maybe fail to take this out and then go down again. And now if that's the case, then this cycle is already finished, and then you adjust the side, you know, you adjust the count a little bit, maybe forcing a little bit to call this I cannot call it like this because then this 3 here I believe is going to be in the shortest wave, so you have to go down here maybe. So it's not really ideal, the count, right? It's not really ideal if I have to adjust, right? Something like this. So the 3 here, it looks like a, you know, you can force it to be a 5 waves, but it doesn't look ideal. You can call it like this, and if that's the case, then it's already finishing this 5 waves up and doing the bigger correction in the form of a larger 3 swing, and then from here, you know, if it is still bullish, then we can still continue to go up, but not until we get a bigger pullback. But for now, from this primary view, we are calling for further extension higher, okay, and we are calling for further extension higher, and eventually can break above the previous peak. But at least if we are talking about the minimum expectation shorter cycle, considering that yes, there is always a possibility we fail to take out the high and turn slower. So and as far as the minimum expectation kind of approach, then that suggests that we should be getting at least some sort of an ABC from the lows here, in which you finish your first leg, which can be with 1 or with A because it's 5 waves, and this pullback can be a with 2 or with B, and then if it is an ABC, then ideally in the C at least is going to be equal to the A, and that gives you a target towards 28,650. Alright, so that's the update for today. I hope you enjoy it. As always, please do like and subscribe our channel so you can get regular updates on the various different instruments. And also, if you want to try our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again, and have a nice day, everyone.